आता वेळ गोयच्या काय सरभोवतणच्यो खबरो.
वर्ल्ड ओशियन डे निमतान पेटा समर्थकांनी पणजे लोकांनी शिवराक जावचे म्हूण जागृती संदेश दिलो.
As we know that water pollution has adversely affected the quality of water. The chemicals that leach out into the water get absorbed into the bodies of the fishes. And if you're a person eating fishes and aquatic life, out of hopes of getting omega-3, then chances are that you're getting more mercury, antibiotics and chemicals. We urge you and plead you to go vegans and try vegans, because veganism is all about compassion towards animals, and it is not only to help our bodies be healthy but also the health of the planet.
We are requesting through our awareness campaigns, through our awareness programs, for people to go vegan, to understand that there is no difference between a fish and a dog, and that both of them are animals, both of them can feel an equal amount of pain when they are killed with a blunt knife. So today we are campaigning, today we are here to tell people to go vegan, at least try vegan.
मडगांवच्या कोस्टाज टाइम कलेक्शनात राडो घड्याळीचे नवे ब्रँड कलेक्शन आयला.
Today, has been, I would say, a proud day for us, because, we have been selected by Rado, to launch their new collection, their 2018 collection, and it's an amazing collection. This collection, is kind of a preview, to our exclusive customers, who have been patronizing our shops, and Rado as a brand, is loved by our customers. People have been using these watches, for, I would say, decades, and people are absolutely, delighted, with the product. So, it's been a delight for the customer, in terms of the newness, because every year Rado comes with new collections, so the customer is never bored.
Bureau report, Prudent.
Give a commercial break.